Tonight for dinner we are grilling chicken, and me and Jason and Justin are having barbecue, and Tim is having kung pao. Tonight for a side we are cutting corners, and we have decided to have Kentucky Fried Chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Tonight for dinner we are having Hobo Dinners. You start out with a beef patty, and we season ours with Lawry's onion powder, garlic powder, and some pepper. You top them with canned sliced potatoes, and then we top ours with onion. Usually we also add some sliced tomato, but we don't have any tomato, so we are gonna wrap these up and put them on the grill. On the side, we like to cook up the rest of the potatoes, and we just season those the same as what we did for the burgers. I put ketchup and mustard on mine, and Jason doesn't put anything on his bun, but then you top it with mustard, right? Ketchup is what he tops his with. Tonight for dinner we are having Cafe Rio chicken. You're going to need 4 to 6 chicken breasts, a half a cup of zesty Italian dressing, 1 packet of dry ranch dressing or 3 tablespoons, a half a cup of water, 3/4 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of chili powder, and a half a tablespoon of ground cumin. I am going to place all of these items in my crock pot, set it to low for 4 to 6 hours. I stirred it and mixed the chicken up really well in the sauce before I start the process of cooking. With 1 hour left on the crock pot, I decided to shred the chicken at that point. It was cooked completely through and practically falling apart. Then I put it back into the juices that were in the crock pot, and I finished cooking it for the last hour so that the inside of the meat could pick up the flavor as well as the outside. I have 2 bags of meatballs that I have made up and I froze in the freezer, so I'm going to go ahead and make this into Swedish meatballs tonight. At this point, I added the meatballs into the sauce, and now I'm going to let them just simmer in the sauce and pick up the flavor. Tonight for dinner, I am having leftover barbecue pulled pork. I will have the recipe down below. And on the side, I'm going to have some of this macaroni salad and potato salad. I'm thinking for dessert, I might be breaking out this watermelon and treating myself to some watermelon for dessert after I eat my dinner. That is summer on a plate right there.